If you want to grab more than $30,000 in bonuses on Bybit, this is the video you've been waiting for. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it, why this is the absolute best deal available right now, and how to make sure you don't miss out, because this offer is for a limited time only. There's one thing you need to do. Use the referral code BIT30K when signing up, and to make it even easier, there's a direct link in the description that takes you straight to Bybit's sign-up page with the code already applied. But if it's not there for any reason, just enter BIT30K manually during registration. Now let me be clear, this is the best Bybit referral code you're going to find anywhere, not just some small discount or a few extra dollars. This code, BIT30K, gives you access to the maximum welcome bonus currently available on the platform. More than $30,000 in bonuses. Yes, $30,000. If you sign up without this code, you'll get a much smaller bonus, usually around $5,000 or less. That's a huge difference. So don't leave money on the table. Use BIT30K. Now, Bybit is one of the fastest growing and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world. It's beginner-friendly, packed with advanced tools for serious traders, has super low fees, and lightning-fast performance. But the biggest reason people are signing up right now is because of this incredible bonus. And again, it's only available if you register using the referral code BIT30K. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete your KYC verification. That's just a quick identity check. It usually only takes a few minutes. After that, your account is fully activated and you'll get access to the Rewards Hub. Inside the Rewards Hub, you'll see a list of simple tasks you can complete to unlock your bonus. Things like making your first deposit, placing a trade, or inviting friends to join. Each task unlocks more of your bonus. And with the referral code BIT30K, the potential is massive. This isn't just a one-time bonus either. The rewards can be used to lower your trading fees, help cover losses, or be used as margin when trading futures. So they actually give you a real edge. Plus, Bybit is constantly running exclusive campaigns, airdrops, and time-limited promotions. With an active bonus linked to BIT30K, you'll be eligible for even more rewards and events. The earlier you join, the more you can take advantage of. And if you ever run into any problems or just have questions, Bybit has 24/7 live support ready to help. So here's what you need to do right now. Click the link in the video description. Create your account on Bybit. Use the referral code BIT30K. Finish your KYC verification. Then go to the Rewards Hub and start unlocking your bonuses. This is the biggest bonus Bybit has ever offered. More than $30,000 in USDT, but only if you act fast. This is a limited time promo, and once it's gone, it's gone. So don't miss your shot. Use the referral code BIT30K and click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching. Use BIT30K, grab the bonus, and I'll see you on Bybit.